Are we ready?
Yes.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, Bandit. All right, folks. Bandit and Dad and I are back at it. Under the Beast. Okay.
Repairing a little rust holes in the lower floor pans. I'm not a body man, so I don't know if this is even kosher at all, but it's working for me, so we're going to make it happen.
Yes, indeed. Back up.
I suppose you're supposed to cut it out and weld it, but, not that good at that stuff, so.
Hey, wait a second. You're showing some of this out of order.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Go back and show it.
Show what we did yesterday?
Yeah?
Okay. All right, we'll show that first. This would be the Venn diagram of vehicle maintenance and cake decorating intersecting.
It is.
Yeah, I poked that one through.
Hi, Ben. No, I should.
Bella.
Oh, that's Bella. That's good.
Bella, get out of here. Hand it.
Oh, really?
That was a close one.
It was.
Bandit.
Okay. Now you can do up that panel.
Okay.
So we're using seam sealer, which is supposed to be for putting two metal panels together. Actually automotive stuff. And we're pop riveting it into the bottom side. So it should be much less likely to
Would you
rust away from us.
go away?
Bandit. Stay back, man. We could banish you. You could be banished. There you go. Sit down. Sit. Sit, dude. Got it?
Yeah. You have rivets?
I have one right here.
Okay.
Three 3/16 are hard.
Yeah.
Eighth inch ones you can pop right off like nothing to it. God.
Let me check on that one. Let me check on it.
Oh,
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
oh,
Oh, you're yeah. You're good.
Nope. Okay. So,
Vector. Well, folks, is the bodywork that we have done going to win Best in Show?
No.
No. Is it aesthetically pleasing in any way?
No.
No. Is it, however, going to keep moisture, dust, wind, etc., out of the cabin of the vehicle?
Absolutely.
Yes. It's sealed on both sides, and we're not done yet. We got, there'll be more rubber coating of this portion.
Yeah.
And this is going to be covered up by the seat anyway, and the rest will be covered up by carpet. So it's going to be fine. And if we have the time and the money later on in the project, maybe we'll come back and do this proper like. But for now, it serves a purpose. The exciting thing is that once we've got sprayed under here, we're going to put the car down and get it out of the way so that we can start working on the motor again. And that's going to be the fun stuff. So stay tuned for that in a future episode. As always, if you're enjoying watching us amateurs,
Who wouldn't?
right? Look at us. If you're enjoying the content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when a new episode does come out, you know about it. Hey, there's a poll out there or a quiz out there on the page, by the way. Check that out. See if you know the answer to the question. But anyway, if you're enjoying, tell your friends,
Tell your enemies.
tell your cats.
Tell your dogs.
Sure.
I don't know. I never got.
Dogs can be into cars.
Okay.
Anyway.
Yeah, the dogs sometimes are.
Yeah, Bandit loves it. Anyway.
The answer to the question is in one of the episodes.
That's true.
So.
That's true. So, we will see you in the next episode.